In this video, I'll show you how you can edit your PDF using Canva. It is very simple. Just upload your PDF file to the Canva and then you will get the option or your PDF file will be editable in the Canva interface. So let's see how you can edit your PDF file using Canva. Just I am uploading my PDF file, dragging here to the Canva, and the PDF file is uploading here. Now I'm opening it and you see each of the section is editable now. If I want to edit like product development roadmap or product development feature, I'm correcting it as a feature. So I can edit this. Let's say I want to edit product information. So whole of my PDF file is now editable. I can edit anything in this file. So now let's upload another file into the Canva. And now open it and see the whole file has been converted as an editable file, and you can edit any of the section in the file. Let's say resume. I want to cut this section and I can do it. So any of the section you can edit now, and once editing your file you can also download it as an PDF file. Just click here, click download button and select PDF standard, and now just click download button and your edited PDF file is downloading, and the file has been downloaded. You can just open it to see. So that's simple. You can edit any of your PDF file in Canva, just upload it and your file will be automatically converted and editable file, and you could change anything if you want, and then you can download it again as an PDF file. So thank you so much. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel.